So it begins. Quinny! Aw, poor kid. Alright. We're gonna kick things off with our seed starter. We'll see if I do this correctly. Here we go! I don't think I've ever tried to assemble anything so infuriating as this. I will get this done before dark. You know, it's just a wheelbarrow, right? The instructions. I like puzzles, but not to this extent. It's like IKEA furniture, but for your garden. Actually, no, I like assembling IKEA furniture. IKEA furniture is easy. This, I don't know what this is. Just wanted seed starter mix. Why don't you finish breaking off? Let's get it. This actually smells kind of nice. It's fragrant. Dude, come on. Alright, you know, I'm just gonna. I have to go finish the bread. And this is being a little baby. All I wanted to have you expand. Open your mind. Instead, you betray me like this. Here's the potential plan. I'm gonna finish this bread. I'm gonna put it in the oven. And then, if it's still light out, I will go back out and start mixing in the rest of the soil. If I do it tomorrow, it's just gonna be real cold. I don't like the cold. That'll do for the night. You know, in my haste to get this thing done yesterday, I didn't add any nutrition to the starter mix. Point is, seeds usually grow fine on their own, and you don't really need to start feeding them until a certain point. But I don't want to have to do that work. So I'm gonna dump everything out. So I'm real lucky I didn't plant anything. I mean, it wouldn't have been the end of the world, but you know. I'm gonna dump everything out. Yeah, I'm gonna dump everything out. Just start all over. Because why not? You know, why not? Dang nabbit. Really, this stuff smells really good. I don't get it. It's whack. Of course, this is the first thing I need to do in the morning. I haven't eaten anything. I have a caffeine headache because I haven't had any kind of caffeine in 3 days. I've just been trying to ride it out. I've gone a little overboard on tour. So, I just like to overcompensate. So here we are. why not? They're apparently psychotic. Gosh, this stuff smells really good. Maybe it's some volcanic rock in the soil and I shouldn't be moving it in. Enough of this nonsense. Let's get dangerous. Watching too much DuckTales. We're gonna do worm castings. I don't think any bone meal or blood meal or plant food is necessary right now, but I will add some azomite. Hello. There's a giant fissure running through the foundation of this garage, and one of these days I feel like a sinkhole's gonna open up here. It's not my worst fear, but it is a fear. Worm castings and azomite. I think that'll be enough to get it started, yeah. Well, that was annoying, but it's done. That's got nutrients, I guess, and I redid all of them, so yay. And now I'm going back inside because I can't feel my fingers, because I apparently have the body of a lizard.